Here is a short guide on how to start developing VR games with hand tracking in Unity. Let's start by downloading Unity Hub, the application that allows you to download any version of Unity you may need. Next we need to install Unity. Here I recommend that you install the latest recommended version as it has long-term support. At this point it is very important that you select the Android build support option. This will allow you to build applications for VR headsets such as the Oculus Quest. Finalize the installation and wait for it to finish. Now it's time to create our Unity project. Make sure you select VR Core and that you insert the name of your project and folder location. Now wait for the project to be created. Before we proceed, let's do some cleaning by closing all the tabs we don't need. At this point we can finally begin setting up our project. Let's begin by making a brand new scene. I will rename it and I will remove the existing scene. Next, in order to give the player a surface to stand on, I will create a plane. I will also add the grid texture to make it more visible, and I will delete the existing camera that we don't need. The next very important step is installing Oculus integrations. To do that, go to Window, Asset Store, Search Online. Here you will be redirected to the Unity Asset Store, where you can search for Oculus integrations. Once you find it, open it in Unity. At this point, you should be able to see Oculus integrations in your library. You should press Download now. I will press Update because I already have it. Once the download finishes, press Import and then import everything. This will definitely take some time, so be patient. Now that the import process is completed, you need to follow these steps very carefully. A series of prompts will appear now, and you need to choose exactly the options I choose. Update OVR plugin, cancel when prompted to use OpenXR, choose Restart here, and upgrade the Spatializer plugin. This concludes the import section. Now it's time to continue with the next steps. Let's fiddle a bit with build settings. Go to File, Build Settings, and make sure you switch to the Android platform. Next, go to Player Settings, and in the XR plugin management enable Oculus on both tabs. Now it's time to add our VR camera to the game. Start by searching for the OVR camera using the project search feature and drag and drop it into the scene. I will also rename it. Next, select the newly added prefab, and in the inspector you should be able to find Quest features. Here, for hand tracking support, make sure you either select hands only or controllers and hands. Also, in the tracking section that you can find above, make sure you select floor level for the tracking origin type. This will allow the system to take into consideration your height when positioning you above the floor level. Now it's time for the last step of Unity configuration. It's time to add our VR hands into the scene. Search for the OVR hand prefab and insert it both under left and right hand anchor. I will also rename them for convenience. At this point, to ensure that you can touch objects with your virtual hands, ensure that you enable physics capsules on both of them. When selecting the right hand prefab, in the inspector make sure that you select right hand in every instance where you find left hand. Now it's almost time to test our game. First, we need to go and download the last application, which is Oculus app. Once installed, make sure that you pair your Oculus device, and if you followed this guide correctly, you should be able to go to Unity, press the play button and see your hands in VR while wearing the headset. How amazing is this? You can make so many cool games using this feature. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need some help. I will do my best to help everyone as much as I can. See ya in the next video.